How to create an account on Stripe. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create an account on Stripe. Stripe is a leading financial services company that's specialized in online payment processing. Here's how you can create an account on Stripe. First of all, you will need to open any web browser on your device. Here I have launched my Chrome browser. Now once on the browser, in the search bar, type in stripe.com. This is the official URL of Stripe. Once you have entered this keyword, press on enter button of your keyboard to search for it. And within a while, you will be taken to this official website of Stripe. Once you land on this page, here you will need to simply scroll down until you locate the Start Now button. Once you find it, click on it to begin the sign-up process. By clicking on it, now you will be taken to a new page. Now in this page, you will need to fill in this information in order to create an account. In the first text box, here enter the email address you'd like to use to create an account on Stripe. After that, in the second text box, here type in your name. Make sure to enter your full name here. Once after entering your full name, now you will need to create a strong password for your account. Click on it and then type in your password. Make sure your password is strong. You will be able to see the green line once your password meets the criteria. Now in this box here, select your country. Click on it and then from this list select your country. After that, here check the box that says get emails from Stripe. Once after doing that, now you can click on this create account button to proceed further. After this step, now you will need to verify your email address. You will receive an email from Stripe for a verification link and to confirm the address. From here, you need to simply click on this open Gmail right here. And this will open up your Gmail inbox. Here locate the email from Stripe and double click on it to open it. Inside it, here you'll be able to see verify email button. Click on it and then you will be taken to a new page again. Now here you will need to add your business information. Click on this add business information right here and then fill in the details. Here you will need to choose your business location and the type of business. After that, click on the continue button at the bottom. Here you will need to enter your personal details. Click on the first text box and here enter your legal first name. And after that, in this text box, enter your legal last name. Once after doing that, enter your email address in this text box. Then in the next text box here, enter your date of birth. After entering your date of birth, scroll down to enter your address. After entering your address, scroll down to add your phone number. After entering the phone number, now here you will need to enter the last 4 digits of your social security number. Make sure to enter it correctly. After that, you can click on this continue button again. Now here you will need to enter your business details. Select a type of your industry. If you have your website, you can enter it in this field. If not, you can add a product description. You can add 1 to 2 sentences about your business. And after that, click on this continue button below. After doing this, now you will be prompted to add your public details. Scroll down to check the details. Here you will need to add your customer support number. Scroll down and then click on this continue button below. Now after that, you will need to enter your bank details. Select your bank from here, or you may also enter your bank details manually by clicking on this link that says enter bank details manually instead. Or you may also choose the bank from here and then you will need to here log into your bank account. Click on this continue button and log into your account. After doing that, you'll be able to add your bank details for payouts and complete any identity verification steps as prompted. You'll also need to secure your account and then add extra informations. After that, you will be prompted to verify it and then your account will be successfully activated. So by following these steps, you should be able to create a Stripe account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.